In the previous video, we looked at how machines are defined. Now, we are going to take a brief look at each of the 6 different simple machines. We will go into more detail with each machine later. The first of the 6 simple machines we are going to talk about is the lever. Levers consist of a beam or rigid rod pivoted at a fixed hinge or fulcrum. The term lever comes from the French word lever, which means to raise. A lever amplifies an input force to provide a greater output force. This means you can lift a heavier object with less effort force than if you just tried to pick the object up. It is thought that ancient Egyptians used levers to move an uplift rock weighing more than 100 tons to build the Sphinx and the Great Pyramids of Giza. The next simple machine we will look at in our brief survey of simple machines is the pulley. A pulley is a wheel on an axle or shaft that is designed to support movement and change direction of a cable along its circumference. In this picture, we actually have 2 pulleys in our pulley system. Next, we have the wheel and axle. Wheels are attached to an axle so both parts rotate together. A force is transferred from the wheel to the axle or vice versa. The earliest depiction of a wheeled vehicle is from about 5,000 years ago, so wheels have been around for quite some time. In the picture on the right, we see that the Mars rover has 6 wheels and axles. Next, we have the inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat supporting surface that is tilted at an angle. One end is higher than the other end in an inclined plane, just like its name says. Inclined planes are used to help raise or lower a load. Egyptian pyramids were also constructed using inclined planes. Next up, we have the screw. A screw converts rotational motion into linear motion and a torque into a linear force. Geometrically, a screw is a narrow inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Last but not least, we have the wedge. Wedges are triangular-shaped tools that are basically a portable inclined plane. They can be used to separate 2 objects, like if you are splitting wood. They can be used to lift an object, or they can be used to hold an object in place. In ancient Egyptian quarries, bronze wedges were used to break away blocks of stone used in construction. In the next video, we will look at more characteristics of simple machines.